like in May. There you go. That's what it look like. Let's see. It is good. And it does have a little kick to it. It's got good spice to it. I like it. I like it, y'all. It's Mike's Hot Honey. That's good. You know I'm still gonna put my hot sauce on here, honey. You know I'm still gonna put me some Lips hot sauce on there. There you go, people, with the Lips hot sauce. Oh, it's really good. Let me tell y'all what I love about Church's. Church's has the best chicken wings that you gonna eat. They big. They're like dinosaur wings. I love them. I really do. I really do. Well, me and my family eat Church's here at home. I love the wings. That one I'm right there. Y'all just like big dino wings. This is a wing, y'all. You see how big that John is? Baby. They be huge. Y'all mean fried chicken. Tangent Fremont is gonna have a fit. She loves to eat fried chicken. Unique Pittman and T. Winslow, you guys are still in my prayers. I have not forgotten. So, I asked y'all, how y'all doing today? Are you guys excited about the launch of the t-shirt? I'm hoping by now I already have them out for you. If I don't, they'll definitely be out by 5 p.m. today, okay? If I didn't get them out by now, I ran into some type of trouble. But I'm hoping I have them out there for you by now. It was my goal to get them out by the time this video came out, but I don't know if I did or not. And so, therefore, if they're not out there yet on tulips.com, for you to get them, they will be out by 5 p.m., okay? I love that biscuits too. Another thing, the other day, I was watching B Loves Life. And she was putting honey on some chicken. And she was also putting 2 times spice on it. I was on the phone with Sam's World and hashtag the cannon at the time. And I said, I'm going to try it. I'm trying it. I got to see what that's like. So let's see, y'all. Let's see what this is going to be like. There you go, a piece with the 2 times spicy on it. Let's see, y'all. That's good too. I don't know if I would eat that too often. It is good now, I'm gonna tell you. I ain't lying to you, it is good. But that 2 times spicy is already kind of sweet, you know? So I don't know if I would mix that up too much. But the flavor profile is good. It is. That flavor profile is good.